Trying to keep everybody in camera.
Good luck.
I know. Well, the nice thing is this has a really broad range. When they're close like that, I can keep all three of the first places on camera, but now Fergie's checking out. This is why Brian is scared to come race with us. Fergie's on fire. You feel that? That's the flames. The flames of biatch. God, he's on fire. I wonder I'm having a hard time catching him in core.
I just don't have enough motor for.
That's alright.
I think the life of that 12-turn stock motor is done.
Yeah. Either that or your battery cut out.
Oh. Supposedly a relatively new battery though.
If I wasn't running in the same class, I'd loan you mine. Yeah. And you know how stick packs are, dude.
I know.
Those are the bottom of the barrel junk packs. God damn, Corey. Let them race. He's on fire.
Nobody's gonna catch him tonight.
Nah. I beat him in Truggy. Only because he lost his steering.
Yeah.
No, I beat him the first time fair and square.
I still wish Dan had brought the B44, dude.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, help! Never mind.
Oh, he's free. Oh, what was that?
Just cut the track.
Got 2 minutes down, 3 to go. Fergie's fastest man out there driving truck 10. UK running second. Truck 4 and Jason's
No
driving.
wonder I was 2 laps down to Fergie in the slash class. Or
You know what else I noticed? I can't zoom.
What?
Yeah, these cars are going to be like little bitty freaking dots.
Oh, dang. You can't zoom at all?
No, I tried, see? Wide, tight, nothing, it doesn't move.
At least mine will zoom.
Cool thing is that it's got such a broad lens. I mean, I'm not having to move as much. I can pretty much stop right there.
Help, 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 help,
Go back.
help, help.
And then that's it. I could stop right here. I don't have to move again, and I can get the rest of the track.
I get the hard-headed ass. Why, are those doing too good?
No, probably not good enough.
I guess that's what she's going to do in the name. Why?
We got 1 minute left, driver. Better get it while you can. Fergie's trying to make a clean sweep of it here tonight.
He's on fire. I don't know, ever since he went to the class.